So guys, this is the Tirupati special train to Kachigoda, and now mine is cabin B. So I came to know that no one will be coming here, so it's only me and this cabin 4. So it's a separate room for me today. So good morning guys. So I'm traveling by Tirupati Kachigoda special train, and I came to know that the trains starting with the number 0 are the special ones, or maybe for the special occasions or holiday special trains. And these trains doesn't follow any timeline. So the journey, which was like supposed to be completed in 9 to 10 hours, it's almost taking 15 to 16 hours. So I've started from Gudur yesterday at around 9:50, and now it's around 11 o'clock, and till I'm like yet to reach Charlapalli. So definitely suggest that though tickets are available, but still it takes a lot of time. So better to go by the regular trains and try for Tatkal tickets and plan the journey accordingly. So this is the second train which is going ahead of us, and we have been sidelined at BB Nagar. So really special treatment for the special train. I request Railway Ministry to please look into it, because we are also paying the same fare as these trains. So why such secondary treatment to these special trains? So this is the third train which is crossing us, that is Konark Express. So there is no room for this train to enter in between these regular trains. So guys, it's Vande Bharat which is coming, crossing us. For the last 1 hour we are waiting here at BB Nagar railway station, and now I came to know that I am the only one person who is in this first AC coach. You can see all these cabins are empty, no one is there. Here also all the coupes, all the cabins, everything is empty, and I am the lone passenger in the entire first AC coach, waiting for my train to get the signals. This is my luggage, and this is the last cabin. Here also one person was there, but he got down and he went by auto because he has to go till Katkesar only. So this is the scenario, guys. Let's see when it starts. It's been almost an hour. I think now at least it should start. Or maybe some other train. Almost 5 trains have crossed us, and I think I can hear the sound of one more train. So once that train passes, maybe our train will be going. So guys, finally after so much of wait, I'm getting down at Charlapalli. So almost it's 1 o'clock. I started 10 o'clock in the night yesterday. So a journey of 15 hours. इतनी देर में तो भाई हम मुंबई पहुंच जाते हैं।